me. Emily, why are you silent? Talk to me. What happened? Did he go change to give you the money?
I'm not happy. I'm very, very angry. Very, very, very angry now.
What happened? I heard you're angry, so I said I must come and see you today. What happened? Tell me. I heard Igwe didn't let you enter the palace.
Who told you that? Hi. Oh, why do people always lie? Why do people lie against me? Can you know Barafa if me and you quarrel? Huh? How would they get from it? Why do people lie against me?
Okay. What happened?
Can you imagine? Igwe said that he's not going to give me the 20 million. That I should manage 10 million.
What?
Yeah, that things are hard. Rich man like him, telling me to manage common 10 million. What is 10 million? Chicken change. I should manage 10 million. Was begging me. I said never, that I will not take it. And he must complete it. Else, this palace will be on fire. And he was begging me, calling me himself. Emere, come back, Emere, please. I left. I was angry. How will you treat me like that?
Why? Why did you reject that amount of money? That amount is still good. You should have collected it.
You mean I should have collected the money?
Yes.
There's nothing in 10 million, no. 10 million is the chicken change, oh. There's nothing in 10 million. But if you say I should collect it, maybe when my anger subsides, I can go. The money will not be enough to do all the things I promised I will do for you. It will not be enough. So I said I'm not going to collect it. That I must leave it for him. Let him complete it. Else, you're going to see trouble.
Baby, I know the money is for me, but you should have collected it. That money is big now. We can use it and do a lot of things. We can use it and get married. Even leave this their village for them. Travel to the city. Rent a house. Rent a shop. And even buy a car. Ha! Baby, you have to go back and beg the king. You have to go back to the palace and beg the Igwe. If you even want me to follow you to the palace, I'm ready to follow you to the palace.
Don't follow me. If you follow me, it will make my anger to go high. I might end up killing Igwe. Eh? Don't worry, I'll go. But you have to know, I want to give you 10 million. 10 million is nothing. 10 million is chicken change, yo. Remember that 2 million has gone out of it. You have used your lips to kiss away 2 million. So the remaining 8 million. Now, look at it now. If you go to the city, you use 4 million to buy a car. You use 4 million to do traditional marriage. There will be no money again for us to go to a hotel with a big room, large bed, where we'll be naked. On the swimming pool. We are not going to swim again. Unless you want us to go to chalet and end up in the village river. Use it as swimming pool.
Baby, I know you want to do everything for me.
I want to do a lot for my baby.
I know. Don't worry, you go and beg Dikeh. You will manage that 10 million. Okay?
I will go when my anger subsides, as it is now. Do you know that when he said that, the thing Biam no be. The thing Biam no be. The anger was going up into my head. Wanted to enter my head. I said no. Never. I cannot be here. Yes. If I remain here, I will kill you. They will say that Emele has killed you. So I said, let me go. He was calling me, Emele, sorry, please come back. I said, never! I cannot take the 10 million. What is 10 million? Chicken change. Don't worry.
I know
See,
you want to do everything for me.
I want, if I get that 10 million, I want to still give you another 1 million. Another kiss. Yes. Let it be that you have collected 3 million. Then we'll be we'll finding our way with 7 million.
Baby, collect the money first from Dikeh.
No, is it not your money? You want to be richer? Collect. What do I want to bring 10 million? You collect the 3 million for your kiss. Additional kiss now. You know, we can manage 7 million. Everything is your own. In fact, the whole money will be yours.
Everything.
Yes, it will be yours.
My own.
What is yours is mine. What is there? 3 million for kiss. 3 million for kiss. Go in. Gone. 3 million is for you.
So, where is Dixon? He has left. How was the inspection? You were lucky you didn't come with us. I am so tired.
I see. And your driver, how did you do?
He's good. I told him to take the rest of the day off. He needs to rest. It was something else today.
Very good of you. Well, I want to go to the supermarket to get a few things.
Okay.
I'll be back shortly.
Okay. Thank you. I need to rest as well.
You need it.
Ndudi, how could you betray me? How could you betray me? You know that the princess and I are very close. You still went behind me to stab me at my back, Ndudi. You stabbed me so hard. It hurts me so bad. How could you betray me? Eh? He decided to bite the finger that fed him.
Calm down. Dick, calm down. You know, it might not be what you are thinking.
Mama, I don't know what I'm thinking. But what I'm thinking right now is that I'm going to kill that boy. I am going to skin life out of him. Mama, I'm going to make him feel terrible in this life. I will squeeze, I will pound him. Mama, Ndode. Hey.
Ndode, why? Huh? I thought he went there to work. I never knew he has a hidden agenda. Eh? This is so bad, though.
Mama, that woman, the princess supposed to be my wife. But Ndode has gone there to spoil everything. Eh? Can you imagine? All the time I spent there, they couldn't come back. The princess now tells me to wait. Then you can't imagine how he greeted me. As if we were mates. As if we were mates, Mama.
This is so bad.
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Where are you going to?
I'm going home.
Oh, come in. Let me drop you off then.
Wow, thank you.
Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, no matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man. What will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na gozigone. Onye chukwu buniri no bunigone. You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop the river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. Before you fight, make sure you fight to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, no matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man. What will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop a river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. Before you fight, make sure you fight it to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be what will be. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na gozigone, onye chukwu buniri no bunigone. You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop a...
I learned you had a hectic day today.
Oh yes, it was very hectic. Even at some point, I pitied the princess because I know she's not used to such thing.
Talking about the princess, have you noticed she has an eye for you? I mean, she has fallen deeply in love with you already.
In love with me?
Dodo, listen. The princess loves you. All I want from you is to love her back. Please, don't break her heart.
I don't understand. The princess is my brother's girlfriend. Have you forgotten?
Oh, forget that. There is nothing going on between them. They are just nothing but friends. It's you the princess loves. Oh yes. Listening to if I were you, I won't throw away this golden opportunity. Think of what you and your family stand to gain from this. Okay, ask yourself, why did she agree to employ you in the palace at the first place? Don't let your brother deceive you, okay? You see, the princess is like a sister to me. We've been friends from when we were teenagers. Whatever I ask her to do, that is what she does. So I am speaking to you right now on her behalf that she likes you so much. But because she's a very shy person, she can't come out and tell you. So I am telling you now because she confided in me that she's in love with you. I want you to think about it. Just love her back. That's all. She's a nice person. Don't throw it away. See you soon.
No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na gozigone, onye chukwu...
Am I dreaming? No, is this a dream? The princess is in love with me. Hey! So, wait, is that why she's been very nice to me? This lady's saying the truth. The princess is in love with me. Hey! That means if this works out, I will become the king! Mama! Mama!
No matter the challenges, it will be what will be.
Mama, you see? You see, she's not picking my call anymore. Eh? You see, the princess can't even pick my call anymore. That stupid animal has gone there to spoil the princess' heart against me. Eh? She's not even picking my call anymore.
Dudy, why?
Okay. What are you going to do? Hey, I know what to do.
Yeah, where are you going to? Where are you going to?
Come on, get it.
Dikeh, calm down. Huh? If I allow you to drive out in this condition, if anything happens to you, what will I tell my God?
Mama, Dikeh, leave me alone now.
Biko, Dikeh.
Biko. Mama,
look at your mother. Please, calm down. Calm down, Biko. Calm down, my son. Oh, calm down, please. I'm begging you. Calm down. It's all right. It's all right, Biko.
I've not seen a smile as beautiful as this on your face for a long time.
Well, that is because your brother is happy, and my happiness is your happiness.
So tell me, what is it about this happiness? Our happiness.
Okay. You see, the princess of this land, that is the princess of this...
Princess Chibogo.
Exactly. Princess Chibogo is in love with your brother.
Brother, please, you can't get me with this lie. Look for another one.
Oh, well, I'm not surprised at what you just said now, because that was what I thought until her friend Rita confessed it to me. She said she loves me, that she wants to be with me. I mean, she said so many shocking things that was hard for me to...
Brother, wait, let me digest it. That the princess of this kingdom is in love with you.
With me?
But if this is true, Papa, go and marry her sharp.
Well, for now, I'm just, trying to take a chill pill for now. And I believe as a princess as well, she wants to, because maybe she doesn't want people to know now, okay? And I want to be sure. I want to be very sure of what I heard. Because it's unbelievable. How can the princess love me? How?
Brother, you are such a lucky man.
You can say that again.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats. Thank you. But I thought she and Brother Dixon are lovers.
Exactly what I thought. But her friend Rita said no, that they are just friends. Okay, that is me she loves. I know Dixon will be surprised when he hears about the princess and I.
Brother, I am so happy for you. Trust me, Brother Dixon will not be surprised. Rather, he will be happy for you.
You know, right?
Congrats!
Yeah, I mean, she said she loves me, that she wants to be with me. I'm everything she wants. I just cannot believe it.
This is our happiness.
My dear, I still can't believe it. I still can't.
Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry. I no waiting Dixon the change fake life now waiting Dixon the leave. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out. I'm off.
Mama, listen to me. I went to your house. I didn't see anybody. But I want to use this opportunity to drop this stern warning with you for your son.
My son?
Yes.
Hope all is well.
Tell Ndudi to stay away from the princess. I am not going to warn him again.
My son, just calm down and talk to me. I am like a mother to you.
Mama, tell Ndudi that your gold digger of a son to stay away from my princess. Because if I ever see him near princess again, I am going to kill him myself. This should be the last warning. I won't say it again.
Dixon, we're going to go to
waiting Dixon the fake life now waiting Dixon the leave. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container Nata, I'm off alone. Billion, now why for Nata? No, that's
Thank God, my uncle is here. I will not take it. Never! You can not happy. I am not happy.
Your Majesty, I tried to stop him, but he wouldn't stop.
Can you stop me? You silly boy. Get out!
Do you realize this place is a palace? That any time you are here, you must conduct yourself with every sense of civility.
I'm sorry.
So what is it again?
I am suffering. My family, we are suffering. Huh? And you are here, you are enjoying. Is it good? Are you not my uncle? Are you not the Igwe? Are you not a rich man? I don't have job. I don't have money. The most important is that my girlfriend is threatening to leave me. What do I get when I have you, my uncle, the Igwe, a rich man? I'm suffering at home. You are here drinking wine, drinking juice. We are here eating onions at home. It's not good though. I have come for you to do something about it.
Shemelia, your people are suffering because you chose them. You have every reason to belong here. You and your siblings, you belong to this palace. Do you expect me to go around the village begging you to come and fraternize with your family? No. Anyway, I'll give you 3 months. Go and do your research. Come up with what you want to do that will be beneficial to you. Then come back with the report to me. I'll see what I can do for you.
Igwe, this thing is not hard. I'm not writing projects. Why are you giving me 3 months? Well, let me sit down. Don't worry, Igwe. Let me sit down. Your nephew came to your house. You did not even offer me a seat. You did not offer me a drink or cola. No problem. Let me sit down so that we'll discuss as uncle and nephew. Igwe, there is no need of telling me to go and do research. I have done research already. And I know how much it will take for me to establish and become somebody. 20 million. I have seen the woman where I will be selling something. I have seen the girl I'm going to marry. I know how much I'm going to pay for bride price. And how much I'm going to use to give her people. We have seen a shop, big one, where we are going to be doing business. Both of us. We have seen hotel where we go to be happy. Even the swimming pool, everything. It has been arranged. So there's no point going for all those details. Just go inside, open the drawer, get me 20 million. You have been helping people, and we know. You cannot be helping others. Your people will not, you will not help your people. Emilia will be walking up and down with her job. And you're here drinking juice.
Emilia, I've heard you. Just go and do your research. I'll give you 300,000 for your running around. It's for your miscellaneous, to take care of your inconveniences. Go and do a proper research, a holistic research on what you want to do for a living. Then you come back, I will study it, and know what to do.
Igwe, I don't understand. 300,000 for running around. I cannot run around with 300,000, they will steal it. If I run from this your compound now to my house, they will steal 300,000. What do you mean running around? I told you everything is done. That 300,000 naira you are talking about is for me to tell my girlfriend, calm down, don't be angry. 300, don't go. I'll go to the woman that's supposed to give us shop. I tell the woman, calm down, don't be angry, I'm coming. For the 20 million to come, so that don't think that 300,000 is something. Oh, thank God you call it running around. Before I will run from here to my girlfriend's house, I run to the woman's house. The money will go down. And I will see, I need to pet myself, calm myself down, drink stout. You got to go? Because I've been running around since morning. So no problem. I will take it for running around. So when I finish running around, I will come for the main money. Okay. You can give me that one. Let me go and bet my girlfriend. Let her calm down.
Bring your phone. Give me your account number.
I don't have account number. I need cash. Everything I do, I like cash. There's money in the wardrobe or drawer. But give me money. Let me go. My girlfriend is waiting.
God.
God, come and open the wardrobe and bring money. If you not give me drink, but I will endure.
You're welcome so much. Mama is nothing. All this for me? Nah. My son is here.
Again, now, here. What is that?
Imagine.
Rita.
She brought all this.
No, wait. What are you doing here? Eh?
That one is for your father. Hold it very well so that it will not fall. Mama, help you. It's falling. Move. Just cut those things. I will get back soon.
What are you doing here? Rita, what are you doing here? I've told you several times that I have someone I love. Let me be Rita.
Dixon, you know you can learn to love me, right? If you want to.
Rita, I want you to help me. I need the princess. Please, I want you to help me talk to her. Please.
Unfortunately, it's too late already. Because both of them are deeply in love. As you speak right now, they're about to go on a business trip together. Meaning they want to spend some quality time together. Meaning they will be in the same hotel, on the same bed, too. Dixon, I love you. I truly do.
What's that? Why would he tell you that? He shouldn't get me angry. He should not get me angry at all.
I didn't even understand what he meant. That was why I said I would talk with you to know what is going on. What is going on? I was trying to understand what he was saying.
Mama, what is going on is that the princess of this land is in love with your son, Ndode.
Is he?
Yes, so that's the latest headline. She's in love with me. And I was on my own and she started liking me. So because she's Dixon's friend, I should turn her down, okay? Yes, now I should tell her go to hell because she's Dick's friend.
But I don't even say it. You see this favor, it is directly from the gods. Grab it with your hand.
My son, if that is the case, Biko, we have to be very careful.
Careful of what, Mama? Mama, careful of what exactly? Be careful, be careful. You don't want your son to be favored. Have you ever seen a bear sugar ruin if you
It's not that, it's not that. It's just that I don't want your brother to have any problem with Dixon. Biko no. Nika de Romo. See, he has money, we don't have any. He might use money to buy the princess over.
Mama, leave this thing. I don't care. We don't have money now, but tomorrow we'll have money. What's the meaning of this thing? I'm angry now. Oh. You see, for this thing, I will show the princess love. Huh? I will show her, in fact, I engage in love. Because of this nonsense now, he's coming to warn you because of the princess. Princess Cheziaka for love.
Wham, brother. Well, love, quali up and down, case to be a katanko. Okay, Mama, if Dixon has money, the princess has more money. Let's fight it. Let's fight. If I upon
can you imagine came to warn you? As what now? We should see him and run away now because he has money.
I don't want problem. Mama, if he has money, the princess is richer. Leave that thing, Mama. Allow my brother to love his love.
Oh, Rita, you're corrupting me. My God. I'm only doing you a favor, girl. Listen, when you get there, make sure you stay in the same room. Okay?
Rita, I don't know how to do that. That would be so hard for me.
And that is what I'm trying to teach you now. Listen, it's very easy. You can add it up. When you get there, you could ask for a massage from him. Yes, that is if he doesn't want to stay in the same room with you. Yes. And from there, you can get him down. But the most important thing is that the guy is so much interested in you. Even though that useless Dixon is going about spreading lies about you guys. I know.
Who's going about spreading lies?
This is going about telling people that you both are already dating each other.
What? Why would he do a thing like that? Oh. Was that why he... That's it. That's why he got upset when he saw me with another man. And then I told him I was tired, I couldn't see. He got up. That's it. That is it!
Did I not tell you the boy is very arrogant?
No. This is absolutely wrong. If it goes without saying we are dating or just friends, it's wrong. What?
He's calling. Oh yeah? No. Don't pick it. No. He will not pick it, sorry.
What? She rejected my call? What has come over this girl? Chai, Chineke, what have I done to myself? Or telling Princess to give this boy work? Why would she choose this boy over me so fast when I've been friendly with her for many years? Yet she didn't give me this attention. Ndude wants to die. Honestly, he wants to die. Imagine the throne that is almost close to me. He wants to take it from me. Okay. Ndude.
I trust you will represent me very well at the meeting.
Of course. Sure, Dad. Sure.
Remember to not take decisions without letting me know.
Well, I'll let you know, Father. It's not a problem.
Young man.
Your Highness.
Drive very carefully.
Sure.
You are carrying a very important dignitary. My daughter. My world.
I know that. Of course I know I'm your world. Take care of you.
See you.
Okay?
Alright.
See you, Daddy.
No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, will be. What will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu gosi, no gosi gone. Onye chukwu buni, no buni gone. You can.
This is 50,000 naira. Add it to your business.
So out of 300,000 naira, Igwe Ochendo gave to you. You're giving me only 50,000 naira, Emily.
No.
That's not fair.
No. This is not giving.
It's not fair.
This is tipping. Tipping. A tip. Yes, this is preamble. But we are just in the Genesis. By the time we get to like Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, chapter 6, you will see another side of me. Just take this one. Take this one. I'll add more to it so that I can smile. I'm just thinking of the business I'm going to tell the king.
What do you have in mind?
I've been thinking. I say, Okrika business.
Okrika business?
Okrika business is good. You see that business? Hey! Anna Wako. Very lucrative. I'm telling you. You see all these clothes I've been wearing? All this one is Okrika. But when I'm passing, people will be looking at me, waving for me, say, praise to be. They don't know it's Okrika. Don't tell anybody. Even this one I bought for you last week. Okrika. Yes. Can't you see the way you are shining? I'm planning to go to my market. I will buy big bale of Okrika. If I buy one big bale, I'll come here. The whole village will be wearing clothes. Yes. See, that big bale, there's plenty of clothes inside it. By the time you buy it with small money, you'll be selling. Before you know, the money will be everywhere. It's very lucrative. That's why I want to do it.
Amy, I'm disappointed in you.
Okrika.
Instead of you to think big, think of a business you can make once. Gadega bank.
I'm thinking big. That's why I'm thinking for big bell. Not small. Oh, you think I was talking about small bell? Big one.
Is it not your mates that have car shops? Selling big machines. Had all motor once now. But come, had done you guy or a big block construction company. We're talking about
You got it. Oh, your mama said you got it. Come. Hey.
Baby.
Hey. You see why I said that you have sense? You too have sense.
I know.
You see this week, they move it so that people will see your sense. This thing is covering sense. When people see, they will not know that you have sense. I don't know. Hey.
I know. I'm a very smart.
Very smart, though.
Yes.
You can think so fast.
I know.
Hey. Why didn't I think of this block industry? You know, Malife told me that time that block industry is a lucrative business. I was even undergrading it. Hey! In fact, that's what I'm going to tell the king.
Yes.
You see, for this smart advice you gave me now, consider yourself spoiled. I'm going to add more money to this one.
You don't mean it.
You see, today, the whole village will hear about us. Today. You see that one corner bar? We are going to shut it down. What do you want to drink? What do you like to drink? Star. I will tell Star people to come. Star people will come there and bring one tank. You see, I'm going to kill 2 fishes for you. Male.
2.
Big male. You know they say that male fish is always large.
Yes.
Yes, I'm going to kill 2 male fishes for you. You will finish it. I'm going to spoil you.
Today.
You see this money? Hide it. Let animal not see it. Hide it. So that nobody will see it. I'm going inside now. Let me count more money.
And give me.
We are going to. You see that? Instead of me not to spoil you today, let me not start the business.
Hey.
As you are now, consider yourself spoiled.
Today.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Okay. Hey, come on, my love. I know we'll make money. Let's go 50,000. We'll take go, baby.
So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Only chuku gosi, not gosi gonna.
Dick, you're here. Ndudi, how dare you? How dare you betray me, Ndudi?
What do you mean?
Don't even give me that innocent look of yours. Don't give me that. I know your type. You bastard.
No, Dick, see, I respect you so much.
But the one I won't take is you coming to my father's house to call me names.
Hey.
I will not take that.
Hey, listen.
What do you mean, bastard?
Listen. I owe you. I owe the job you're doing now. I give it to you. I owe your life. I owe everything you're enjoying now.
What do you mean you owe
And
my
I will
life?
not hesitate to take it back and you start living your life the way you've been living before. Do you understand? I promise you that.
What do you mean you owe my life? Are you God?
I promise you that.
Are you God? Now, Dixon, mind what you say. Oh. Mind what you say. I'm telling you the truth. Which one is you owe my life? Are you God? No wonder I'm just talking to you. You bullshit me like I'm one fool. Papa will just call me and talking to you. Even you bullshit me like a fool is talking to you. You're coming here to warn me. Because I'm following instructions. Are you the one paying me?
Daddy! Daddy, how are you?
I'm fine. How did you go?
Daddy, everything went as planned. You cooperated with us.
That's good.
So how is your health?
Well, I'm still as strong as a lion.
Daddy, I can see.
You need some rest. So
I
go in
do.
and rest, then later we'll discuss in detail.
Greetings, Your Highness. My princess, you have a guest and he's waiting for you in your chamber. Okay, get my bag. Tell him I'll leave him shortly, okay?
No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, will be. What will be, will be. Oh. So why are you fighting your fate?
Mama, leave this thing you're saying. Don't worry about Dixon. Dixon is a muggle. For him to come here to say rubbish or Bonyala, he's very stupid.
Ndodi, I have to worry. I have to worry myself over that because both of you we are getting on very well. Eh? See, if the princess is the problem, I beg of you to leave her for him, Biko. Kansobula.
Mama, what are you even saying now? I should leave her. As what now? Because of this threatened us. I should leave her. The girl is not even dating him. She's not even dating him. So what? I don't want to get angry. I don't just want to get angry.
No, don't worry. Just listen to your mother. Eh? I don't want this thing's problem in any way.
What kind of problem?
Just look at us. We don't have money. You're still looking for who to help you. But Dixon is very rich. I don't want his problem. Just leave her for him, Biko.
Mama, leave her for who now? That girl loves me. She loves me. She doesn't love Dixon. And I love her too. How can you be telling your son to leave? Mama, leave Figaneku now. Know what you're saying now. How can you be advising me to leave who I love for Dixon because he has money? So it's all about money now. Not my happiness.
It's not like that. See, Dixon can go to any length. He can do anything to hurt you. I want you to think about this thoroughly. I know what I saw in his eyes that day. The rage, anger, and bitterness. People want to think about it.
Mama, what you saw was the face of a failed man. Not very faithful. What kind of rage? Well, me, I've heard what you said though. I will know what I will do, but I'm not promising anything. I'll be here about
something, Anyway, I know you will make a decision.
Oh, I got here not too long.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow, look at you. You look beautiful, gorgeous as ever.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. You too. I mean, you're not looking bad yourself.
Oh, let me. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at you.
Please sit.
Oh, thank
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
You know, that's how we roll over there. Yeah. Okay, I got you a gift, you know. Just to show how I feel for you. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This
like
is
it?
beautiful. I love it.
Nice. Can I help you?
I love it. Sure.
Perfect life now, waiting Dixon believer. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, yeah, sending me your account number, make I wire you. My container not down.
Oh, thank
nice
you.
of
Yeah, sure.
Wow, look at you. So beautiful. Come on.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you so much. I love it.
I know you like it.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Let me tell them to get you something to drink.
Okay, I don't mind.
Chinwe.
Yeah.
The princess asked me to take a day off.
Listen, Ndudi, you don't have to leave her side for any reason. I want you to always be by her side. So whatever it is, do the right thing. Come back. Okay?
Okay,
I want you back to the palace as soon as possible. Listen, you don't have to be threatened by Dixon. He's just trying to scare you. You have me. You have the princess. Together we are a strong force. So pay no attention to him and be a man. I need you to man up. Like seriously.
Okay.
You promise me?
I'm in charge.
Yes. I'll be right back. So, here, I want you to use it to get some clothes. You have to always look your best.
You don't need to. You've done so much for me already.
Ndudi, I insist. It's from my heart. It's my own little way of supporting you. You might need to pay me back someday.
You cannot stop a
See you.
moving train. You cannot stop the river from flowing.
Thank you.
Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. Before you fight, make sure you fight to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only...
This is how Emenike, my brother, and his son Undidu intends to pay you after all you did for them. Oh, they think that the best way to reward you is by pulling the princess from you. I will not give them time to have. No.
Papa, Ndude is a snake. He's a vampire. A big anaconda. Papa, Ndude is a big snake. I never knew he had the mind of backstabbing me. After all I did for him. I gave him my money. I gave him clothes. Even the job that he's enjoying now, I got it for him. Papa, he had the guts to betray me.
Dixon, it will not happen. I will confront Emenike, my brother. They cannot do that. Why would they fight their own blood because of a mere woman? A mere woman. I will not allow that to happen. Imagine that.
Hey! Ndudi went so far. I never expected this from him at all. Eh?
He is going to pay dearly for this.
And I will support you. Whatever action you, Dixon, will take, I will stand behind you. Who is Ndudi, by the way? Who is Emenike, my brother? Don't worry, I will ruin them. Me, I will ruin them.
Mama, Dixon the Dick
Mwanka. Dixon the Dick. They want the princess. Oh, princess is not good to come to our own house.
Nenmo.
I will not mind that he's my blood brother. Pierre! You don't want that royalty to come to my house.
My container not out. I'm off alone. Billion. Now why for that no? My what does go Dixon? I come back on this. If any no make women not one I see you. Fake life.
No. I'll be in the front. You stay at the back.
Is he going with us?
Oh yes. My father said he should not let me out of his sight. So he's practically my bodyguard. Let's go. Get in.
Can we go?
Yes, of course.
Dixon Enterprises away. Dixon no get money, but better thing the Hungarian. Dixon no get motor, but motor the Hungarian. I no now waiting Dixon they do. Change fake life now waiting Dixon they leave. I bought this new car to add them into my garage.
Emenike. Onye gasi no go bambala mbadi oji. Maka ha na-abụ ebe amara ife ofu ọchagharịa. Your son, Ndodi, that scheming that he has been exhibiting, what is it all about? Now I want to ask you another question. What has my son, Dixon, committed as a crime? In helping your son, Ndodi, securing a job in the palace, is it a crime? All these are the questions. Now, tell your son, Ndodi, to leave my son's wife alone.
Obaka, if not that you are my brother, the same blood is flowing in us, I would have said you are an idiot. Eh? You are stupid. You are a moron. Eh? So this is why you called me. You invited me to your house to warn me to tell my son that he should leave your son's wife alone. Which wife are you talking about here? Which wife? When did your son pay the bride price of the princess? But tell me now, are we not in the same family?
It's okay. Oh, so this is your contribution in all the explanation and the complaint that I've given so far. So this is what you want to say.
What do you want me to say in the bad dash you be talking about?
You are calling this dash? Good. Now I am promising you a very wide dash. Tell your son that thing he is fomenting is already for me. And he should be ready to wait for me. That I have already made a very wide dash. That dash you talked about now. I have drawn it. The dash is wide. Let him not run. Tell him not to run.
And you tell your son that my son will not run. When he cooks that thing you call bad that he will come with, we will not run. Let me ask you. Do you think that the princess is a baby? Let me warn you. Anytime you invite me to your house and say this nonsense, this bad that you are committing,
good. The battle line has been drawn. And I am ready
to sponsor this war. Now, if not because you are my brother, I would have thrown a fist on you. I don't want to mind it that you're my brother. I want you to leave my compound now, or I will bundle you out of my compound myself.
I should leave your compound?
I said leave my compound, or I'll bundle you out.
Look at you. I should leave your compound.
Oh, you're still waiting for me for my action, right? I said leave my compound, or I'll bundle you. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, I have seen where you're targeting. It will not work. It will not work. It will not work.
Now waiting Dixon, baby. Take life now waiting Dixon, believe. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, you're sending me your account number, make I
Ndidi, sit with us.
Princess, I want us to talk.
Go ahead and talk.
Ndidi, please, can you excuse us?
Oh no, Ndidi is my friend. He stays with us. He's like family to me, you know.
Princess, I know, but we need to talk about us. I need privacy, okay? We need to talk about you and I. To talk.
Come on. Go ahead and talk. I'm listening.
Ndidi, can you please excuse us? Please.
I'm following instructions.
Osimnone follow instruction. From who? Eh? Princess, can you please tell him to leave?
Ndidi stays. He stays. Talk, I'm listening.
I need him bankata now, Princess. Eh? Tell him to leave. Okay, we want to see about you.
Dixon, just go ahead and talk.
Rubbish now. Yeah, rubbish now. Tell him, yeah, let's talk. You're telling me to... There's no respect anymore. Okay, full instruction, right? Okay. Hey, shh. Who's where by? Make people swear now. Okay. Body.
My princess, if you ask me, I will say let me run and beg him more. You know we didn't come with any car.
You're right.
Let me just rush and beg him. Let me follow that instruction.
Take him away. My wife doesn't want to beg. Your wife doesn't beg. I beg you, I will return your clothes, sir. Listen, sir, you need to lock this man off, sir, please. You are not well, sir. Take him away. Go, stand up.
Now waiting Dixon, baby. Take life now waiting Dixon, believe. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, you're sending me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out, I'm off load. Billion, now wife for Natano. My work for Taziego Dixon, I call back on this. If any no equipment, not one,
I'm sorry.
No, I am sorry. I overreacted. I shouldn't have. So
No.
I'm sorry.
I overreacted. I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. So, what was it you said you wanted to talk about?
Not now. Not now, okay? The princess have to go in and take some rest. Probably I'll see you tomorrow.
Your phone. Get it.
This is not important now. I have to start going.
Okay. Bye.
Okay? Make sure you get some rest.
I will.
Okay?
Definitely, I will. Bye.
I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, you're sending me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out, I'm off load. Billion, million na kwa ifo na dano. Ma wepụtasị ego Dixon na ka ọ bọkọ n'isi no. Ife niile na-ekwi ma na ọbụkwa na asị o. Fake life o, ya na fake identity. Borobosi Dixon na ọbụkwa n'onye ọlụ.
Isokwu gị o, ị ga-agbaji aka gị o. Ị ga-esi na windo mapụ. Okay, na-abịa. This kind of engine, what kind of... Is it Sianapa? This is... I don't understand though. Japan go work finish. China will come work their own. Eh? This thing no come dey like it be before. Nigeria go soon come work final work. Eh? Now I go tell this man member another pass. So this pass, no good.
Where is your brother? What is good about the afternoon? Where is your brother?
My brother? Okay, he's not my brother.
What do you mean he's not your brother?
As in both of us share the same shop. Yeah.
But both of you work here. I don't know whether it's the Oga or you are the Oga of this shop. Both of you, who owns this shop?
Oga, I am the owner of this place.
Okay.
I'm the one taking. He's working under me. He's not my brother. I'm from Ohafia in Abia State.
So where is he?
His father is not feeling fine. No. He went to the...
What are you talking about? This is the third week I have been coming to this shop, and each time I come to this mechanic workshop, I will not find my car. Where has he gone with my car?
Okay, what I'm telling you, what he told me, he said his father is not feeling fine. I don't know any other thing.
Okay, he used my car to take his father to the mortuary or to the hospital.
I don't know.
Now let me tell you. Listen very attentively. It's my car they are talking about here. The next week I will come here and will not find my car. I am going to deal with him personally. Even the devil himself will not save him from my hands. I'm going to lock him up, him and his useless and worthless life.
Okay, you will lock him up.
Even you yourself. Hey, who does that? So God. You accept that this local mechanic should... I don't know whether... Wait though. Has he sold the car or he's using it for high possession or maybe taxi?
Okay, I don't know. I only told you what I know. He told me his father is not feeling fine and he went to see his father. But I don't know if he went with your car or...
Did you have a car?
I have one.
Anyway, why am I wasting my time talking to you? Poor men like you, you reason through your anus. I don't know why poverty-thinking men used to prove stubborn. This man I'm talking about, I'm pretty sure that in his generation, nobody in his family has ever driven a car. Do you know the worth of my car? Now listen to me. You message him that if I should come here next time and do not find my car, I will deal with him personally. Make sure you pass the message to him. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye. This guy will not... Is he partying now to help somebody again? Look at all the whole thing I've done. I've gone to police station because of this guy. Every time he'll be doing fine boy. Look at what is... Look, I just married new wife. I don't want to enter into wahala. Let him leave me. Let me live my life as a mechanic. Is it a crime to help somebody again?
I told him to his face that any day he will invite me to his house to vomit such thing, I will give him the insult of his life.
I don't know why they did. As in, it's crazy. It's crazy. Mama.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just tired.
It's better you go inside and rest.
How dare you? How dare you stab me at my back? How dare you?
Dixon, I did not do anything to you. I did not stab.
You did not do anything to me?
Yes.
Yeah? You didn't, yeah? One on this boy. Because I'm going to deal with him. By the time I finish with you, you will regret ever being born in this life. Okay? Oh, you want to go to stab at my back.
Dixon,
Dixon, you cannot. Dixon, you cannot do anything. Look at this fool. Okay, is it because I've been keeping quiet? Is it because I've been keeping quiet? Wait, because I'm. What I'm saying. Look at this. Look at this. Allow him to go. Look at this fool.
Let him go. Let him carry his trouble and go.
Can you